Guys, do you ever get the random itching, scratching in the back of your throat and you already use your free cough and you want to cough again but you cannot? So you hold it in and there is just tears flowing down from one of your eye. It happened with me today, except you know what was worse? My Uber driver. He was so friendly and he started talking to me and I started talking, and then I get this random, it just comes out of nowhere, okay? And I just cough and then he's asking questions and like I'm trying not to talk because I'm gonna end up coughing. I'm trying to like contain it and there's just like tears running down from one of my eye, and he had like a very big one of those blind spot mirrors, so I think he probably saw me and he thought I was crying to the song playing or something, because it was also an emotional song. He's trying to have a conversation for a guy and I'm just trying not to talk because I'm gonna end up coughing and I don't want him to think that I'm sick or something, because I'm not.